Another very intelligent technique to catch its prey. For spiders, this species attacks from beneath the ground. It goes in the ground and then makes a rising lair, and then camouflages the threads and the entrance to. Thanks to this system, it can feel the smallest vibration outside its lair and head straight for the source of it. The trap is now ready. No idea that anything is wrong and falls. Here an ant is confidently walking over. This flower is the power of thought and reasoning have decided. Hide its flowers on the ground. More interesting is the fact that every spider own species hunting technique. This young bolus spider has made its first lasso. The spider is even smaller than your fingertip, and the lasso tinier than the. This newly born Dinopus spider has woven a miniature web. The baby spider is an engineer from the moment it comes into the world. Small hitches, but eventually, like clockwork. These spiders will soon. There is no doubt that they are inspired to weave webs and build traps. Is there any doubt that it was Allah, the Lord of all the worlds, who creates these creatures with these wonderful features and inspires